Hello everybody, welcome to Alternate Physics by Arun video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve a multiple choice question in the chapter Laws of Motion. The question is, force acting on the particle moving with a constant speed is, you are given four options: always zero, need not be zero, always non-zero, cannot be concluded. These are all the four options. What is the answer, sir? Let us look at it. If a particle goes in a linear path or in a straight line, then if the speed is constant in a particular direction without changing its direction, then if the speed is constant, then its acceleration dv by dt is equal to 0, is it not? But if you differentiate a constant quantity, you will get 0. Derivative of a constant will be 0. Okay, that's it. In that case, F is equal to ma, the net force acting on the body will be 0. But if a particle is in circular motion with a constant speed, sir, your answer is applicable to that also, sir? No, it's not like that. Already told, I have put that not constant velocity. There is a difference between constant speed and a constant velocity. In fact, there is a difference between speed and velocity. What is the difference? Speed is a scalar. It has only magnitude. Velocity is not so. It has magnitude as well as direction. So in a circular motion, if a particle is in circular motion, its direction is always changing, is it not? The direction at a particular point will be given by the tangent to that point in the circular path, is it not? So the tangent, the direction of tangent will always be changing when the body is moving in the circular path. It means what? Its velocity is not constant. In what sense, sir? The magnitude may be constant, but the direction will not be constant. It's always changing. Okay, so in that case, the force acting on a particle will experience a centripetal force which is non-zero. So it means what? If the body is moving in a straight line, force may be 0. But if it is moving in a circular path, it will not be 0. Totally, it need not be 0. Okay, it need not be 0. So the force acting on the particle moving with a constant speed need not be 0. Option B is the right answer. Okay, so this is a question based on the concept in physics. Okay, so we will see one more question in this chapter in our next video. Till then, thank you one and all. Okay.